Hello students, I am back with another video. In this video we discuss question number 4, 5, 6 of question number 4, exercise 5.1 of chapter number 5, arithmetic progression of a class 10. Right students, we already discussed question number 1, 2, 3 in the previous video. So let's read the again question, and the question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the three more terms. Now students, एक बार और रिकैप कर लेते हैं कि हम AP किससे कहेंगे कि जो नंबर ऑफ लिस्ट में डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म्स कैसा होता है, कांस्टेंट रहता है, राइट। जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है अगर वो कांस्टेंट रहता है तो लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, AP रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। तो लेट्स सॉल्व फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Here A is -10, A2 is -6, A3 is -2 and A4 is 2. So let's check the common difference. So D equal to A2 minus A1, yeah, A2 minus A. So A2 is -6 minus A is -10. -6 minus minus plus. Now minus plus minus and sign of bigger. So 10 minus 6 4 and bigger is positive. So answer is plus 4. Same check for the A3 minus A2. A3 is -2 minus A2 is -6. -2 minus minus plus. Now -2 plus 6 minus plus minus again sign of bigger. So answer is 4. Right? Now check A4 minus A3. So A4 is 2 minus A3 is -2. 2 minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 answer is 4. Now if you observe here students, the common difference is remain constant, right? So here common difference is constant. Therefore, we form n, right? और आपको यहाँ पे कॉमन डिफरेंस कितना मिला, b इक्वल टू 4, राइट। अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, राइट द थ्री मोर टर्म्स। दैट मीन्स 4 टर्म्स आपको दिया हुआ है, 5th टर्म, 6th टर्म और 7th टर्म आपको फाइंड करना है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। तो आपको पता है कि 5th टर्म है A5 कैसे फॉर्म होता है, इट इज फॉर्म बाय एडिंग अ कॉमन डिफरेंस इन प्रीसीडिंग टर्म, एंड प्रीसीडिंग टर्म ऑफ A5 इज A4 वेयर A4 इज 2. सो A4 plus 2, that means 2 plus B is 4, 26. Same is A6 equal to preceding term A5 plus common difference. A5 again the prime plus 6 plus common difference is 4, answer is 10. A7 equal to preceding term A6 plus B, where A6 is 10, B is 4, answer is 4. Right students, ये तो इजी क्वेश्चन है। सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 हमें सॉल्व करना है। Now see the question number 5, A2 minus A, where A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A is 3, right? 3 cancel out, so answer is root 2, because 3 minus 3 is 0, answer is root 2. Now check for the A3 minus A2, where A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus root 2, right? Consists 2 terms, that's why I have the minus की साइन क्या किया है, ब्रैकेट किया है। तो 3 plus 2 root 2, open the bracket, sign will be changed, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 3 minus we cancel out. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2, they are the right sides, तो सब्ट्रैक्शन हो सकता है उसका। तो 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 इक्वल टू क्या होता है, root 2। सेम है A4 minus A3 your A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A2 is 3 plus 2. अगर इसको हमने ब्रैकेट में लिखा, now open the bracket, right? तो sign will be changed, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 3 minus 3 cancel out. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, answer is root 2 because 3 minus 2 1. The answer is 1 root 2. Right? Now again if you observe, so here common difference is same. Therefore it forms and right. Now let's find the remaining 3 overcomes, because in the question is mentioned if it is an AP then find 3 more terms. So A5 equal to preceding term, that means A4 plus common difference. Now your A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2, right? Plus common difference 3 is root 2. So here it is. Now see, 3 root 2 plus root 2, again they are the like such, so you can add them. So 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 equal to 4 root 2. Clear? Same as A6 equal to A5 plus 3, where A5 we have to find 3 plus 4 root 2 plus 3 is root 2, add them 3 as it is, 4 root 2 plus root 2, 5 root 2. Same as A7 equal to A6 plus 3, where A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2, जो भी हमने फाइंड किया, plus 3 is root 2, तो 3 as it is, 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6. Okay students? And the students, last question of this video is question number 6. 0.2, 0.22, 0.3 times 2, 0.4 times 2. So let's check A2 minus A1 plus. So A2 is 0.22 minus A1 is 0.2. तो अब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो 0.22 minus 0.2, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So answer is 0.02. Right? Now let's check for A3 minus A2. A3 is 0.222 minus A2 is 0.2. So 0.222 minus 0.2. 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. So answer is 0.002. Now if you observe here, so A3 minus A2 which is not equal to A2 minus A. That means the common difference is not remain same. Therefore it is not formed an right students. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छे से समझ में आया हो. Right? In next video we will discuss question number 7, 8 and 9 of the same question. Okay? See you in next video.